press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello all, I hope that all are doing good. So today I am here with you with the new lesson. The name of the lesson is The Hack Driver. So before I am going to start our lesson, let's see about the title of the lesson. The hack driver means here hack, the word hack means here horse cart. Okay, so it is a horse cart. So it is used as a taxi. So driver, so the driver is a person who drives a horse cart. Okay, here is the story about a person. He is a driver and who drives a hack here. Okay, so this is the theme of the lesson. Let's see about the writer of the lesson. So here the writer is Sinclair Lewis. Okay, so here the Sinclair Lewis, he was born on 7th Feb in 1885 in Minnesota, which is in United States. Okay, and he was an American writer, then short story writer. Okay, and so for about him, it is one of the important thing about this Sinclair Lewis, because he has become one of the United States writer who has won the Nobel Prize in Literature. Okay, so this is about the narrator, so that is the writer, that is author here. And let's see about the notable works of the Sinclair Lewis. So here the notable works of Sinclair Lewis are, that is Main Street, that is Babbitt, and It Can't Happen Here. So these are the notable works of the writer here. Okay, so this is about. So now let's move to the lesson. So here it is the story about a hack driver. Here there is a lawyer who visited to a village. Okay, so here a young lawyer who comes to a village to serve summons on Oliver Lutkins. Okay, summons means it is an appeal, it is an order, it is an court order which is to be which summoning someone to appear in court. Okay, so this is called summon. An order to appear before a judge or magistrate. Okay, an order, it is an order to appear in court or in a court. So that is a judge or a magistrate, before a judge or a magistrate, that is called as a summon here. On Oliver Lutkins. So there is a summon on Oliver Lutkins. Oliver Lutkins here is one of a character here. Okay, so it is one of an interesting character in this lesson, that is Oliver Lutkins. So here a lawyer who visited to a village in search of Oliver Lutkins, because there is a summon on Oliver Lutkins. Okay, I told you summon is an order which is appear in before the judge or a magistrate. Okay, so this is a friendly back driver takes him round the village in search of Lutkins. Does he find him? Who is the Lutkins here? Okay, so here one of a driver means here a hack driver which he used to take to the lawyer in search of Oliver Lutkins over the village. Did they find it? Oliver Lutkins. And who is this Oliver Lutkins? Let's see in this lesson. Okay, then after graduating with honors, I became a junior assistant clerk in a magnificent law firm. I means here is the author, narrator. Okay, so who is the narrator here? Author. So author, who is a lawyer. Okay, so he is the narrator in this lesson. I became a junior. So when he was graduated from honors, so he became an assistant clerk as a junior assistant class, which is he is working in a magnificent firm. Magnificent firm means which is very huge company. He is working in a very huge company which he is working as a assistant clerk. Okay, then I was sent not to prepare a legal briefs but to serve summons like a cheap private detective. Okay, so what is the job of lawyer here? That is, he should not prepare a legal notices. Okay, which he used to sit in the office and then he used to prepare a legal notices for the clients. So this is not his job. So what is the real job his? So he is to search the what called summons. He has to serve the summons. He has to give the summons for a victims. Okay, then it is like a cheap private detective. Okay, because why here he is called here, the writer is called here the chief private detective means, so whenever they used to serve the summon, so some people they will not accept it. Okay, so they have to do the job like a spying, so they have to find out, because they wanted to stay away from the court matter. Okay, so that's why they will not take that legal notices easily. So this lawyer who is the writer here, so he has to go with each and every lanes to find out the that victims or customers means, so who has appealed to the court, so he has to give the summons, okay, summons to those person. So that work is like a cheap private detective, okay, for him. I had to go to dirty and shadowy corners of the city to seek out my victims. Okay, so wherever he is going in a dirty corners. Shadowy means here dark lanes and dark streets. He has to go there. He has to search the victims and then he has to hand over their summons. Okay, then some of the larger and more self-confident ones even beat me up. So some of the gangsters, you know that the victims, not only the normal people, they were not only the well prolific people, okay. So they may be the gangsters, okay, they will be the criminals also. So sometimes they will not only accepting the summons and even they are beating to lawyer, okay, because he came with the summons. They are rejected to take the summons. I hated this unpleasant work. And the side of city life it revealed to me. So lawyer is hating to this job, this kind of a profession, okay, because he was graduated because of doing the lawyer work, but not like this. But it is also a part of a work. It is a part of training. So he has not feel happy with his job, okay, and then he has understood what is the city life. Okay, so he has familiar with what kind of a city is. He understands that what kind of a people are. Okay, then I even considered fleeing to my hometown. Fleeing means running away. So sometimes he just thought of it to run away from this place and he could go to his village. Okay, because he just hatred to his job. Where I could have been a real lawyer right away without going through this unpleasant training period. Okay, so no lawyer is going to be acquire his position without he just go through this kind of a training. So it is also training period of him. So he has to do it. Okay, it is like a challenge for him. So he has to do that part of job. Otherwise, then there is no other lawyers like they can't do this kind of a job. Then only he can be a good lawyer in the city. Okay, so then he was accepted his job. So I rejoiced one day when they sent me out for 40 miles in the country to a town called New Mullen to serve summons on a man called Oliver Lutkins. So he was felt happy that, so one day his company was sending him to out of the city. So it is the out of the city, that is the name of the city which he was going to there, that is the New Mullen. Okay, New Mullen, and he was given to serve the summon to a man called Oliver Lutkins. Okay, so here he is going to the New Mullen, so to serve the summon of Oliver Lutkins. So he feels happy that he could go away from the city life and he can visit to some of the good village or a good place. Okay, so so he feels happy here. A lawyer feels happy here. Then we needed this man as a witness in a law case and he had ignored all our letters. So what is the character of Oliver Lutkins here is, so he is a witness in this lesson, in this story. Okay, Oliver Lutkins is a witness in some of the case. Okay, so if he has not accepted some of the letters which is sent by the court. He was rejected the summons, he was not accepted. So the lawyer is going here. This lawyer is going to meet to serve the summon to Oliver Lutkins. So in the by the courts, by the company. Okay, this is when I got to New Mullen. My eager expectation of a sweet and simple country village was severely disappointed. Okay, so when he was visited to the New Mullen, it is a place, so he was felt disappointed there when he was looked into the village. Okay, so why? So why? Here is the description of the village. Let's see here. Its streets were rivers of mud with rows of wooden shops, either painted or sword brown or bare of any paint at all. Why it is? The city, the villages looks like the rivers of mud. Everywhere it is the roads or which is constructed from muds. Okay. Then with rows of wooden shops, the shops which is made from a wood. Then either painted sword brown. Okay, if it is painted, the wood shops had painted, so it is in a brown color. Okay, which is sour in color. Then and bare of any paint at all, and some of the shop there are no paint at all. Okay, so it is totally, there is no colorful in that village. It is not attractive one to a lawyer. The only agreeable sight about the place was the delivery man at the station. So only he feels happy there in that new place, that is a delivery man. Delivery man means here is the hack driver. So for that person, here the writer is called him a delivery man, which he met in the railway station. He was about 40. So here the description of the delivery man. So his age is approximately 40. Then he is red-faced and cheerful and thick about the middle. Okay. So his age is 40 and his face color is which is in red, and then which is cheerful. Okay, his face is cheerful, like a happily living, and then thick about the middle. Thick about the middle means he is little fat. Okay. Then his working clothes were dirty and well worn, and he had a friendly manner. So when he was looked at delivery man, so his dress was in a dirty and little bit it was worn. Okay, which was broken, and he had which is well worn means which is properly dressed, and then he had a friendly manner. So except all of this, so he had a friendly manner. Okay, he can have a what called the relate when he was met with the new strangers, so he was talking like a friendly way. Okay, you felt at once that he liked people. When you visit means here writer is saying to reader. Okay, when you see that person, so you will also felt that that person is like a friendly manner. Okay, he is talking in a friendly manner. Then and he liked the people also. Then here there will be the dialogue begins here. Here there are some of the words I wanted to tell here. That is fleeing means running away. Bare means without something. Then rejoiced means cheered. Then here is the delivery man is the hack driver. Okay, so these are the things which I wanted to tell. And the witness means a person who sees an event or event typically which is a crime or an accident. So Oliver Lutkins is one of the character here which is a witness in this lesson. Okay, where he has seen that crime or an accident. So the court is calling him for to give the view whatever he has seen when there was a crime or any accident was happened. He become an eyewitness. He has to explain that what happened on that day. Okay, that day or particular event. Okay, so this is I told him to find a man named Oliver Lutkins. So here writer is saying here. So he said here, I am finding a man called Oliver Lutkins. So I want him. Then Lutkins, I saw him around here about an hour ago. So that delivery man, a hack driver who says here, yes, Lutkins. So before an hour I had seen him here. Okay. So he said like that. Hard fellow to catch though. Hard fellow means it is difficult to find him. Okay. Because always up to something or other. Because always he is in a problem. Always he had something in his problem. So it is very difficult to meet him. Okay. So that hack driver is saying to lawyer. He is probably trying to start up a poker game in the back of Fritz's shop. I will tell you, boy, is there any hurry about locating Lutkins? So here, so he is probably trying to get, he is probably visited to the Fritz shop. Okay, Fritz shop, why he was going there? For playing a poker. Okay, poker means it's a kind of a card game. So there he was going to play the cards. Okay, I will tell you, boy, is there any hurry about locating Lutkins? So we will find out him. If you are agreeing, so we both will be finding out where he was. Okay, so he said that, yes, I want to catch the afternoon train back to the city. I was very important and secret about it. Yes, it is very important to look Lutkins, to see the Lutkins, because I wanted to go back to my city in the afternoon because I have a train. So then I was to look him, and there is a secret letter for him. Okay, it's a very important. It is a secret about him. I will tell you what. I have got a hack. So then hack driver says here, so I will tell you, so where is he? Okay, and I will bring my hack, means that is a horse cart. I will get it out and we can drive around together and find Lutkins. So I have a hack, I will bring it for you. Then we both are finding him. Okay, so we both are finding him and we will search him wherever he is. I know most of the places he hangs out. Hangs out means visits. He was visiting to the places. So hack driver is saying to the lawyer that wherever he is going, he knows that. He knows that the places that where the Lutkins is visiting. Okay, then. So now the next paragraph. He was open and friendly that I glowed with the warmth of his affection. So lawyer, that is writer here, he is saying that person is very friendly kind of a person, and then he was so open. Okay, there is no nothing to be hide. So he is like a friendly one, he is open one, and he can share everything whatever he knows it. So that's why here he says open person. And also he was glowed. Glowed means he feels happy to see this kind of a man in that village. So this is the line. I knew of course that he wanted the business, but his kindness was real. So here writer says that, so how the way he is talking. So that person, the hack driver, the way he is talking. So that is his business. Okay, business means, so he is offering a hack. Okay, from that hack he is earning money. So he knows it, writer knows it, but although the main important thing more than that the business, that is kindness. So that is helping nature. Okay, so that one was attracted by this lawyer. That is the lawyer is nothing but a writer. Okay, I was glad the fair money would go to this good fellow. Glad means he was happy. Okay, so that lawyer, the narrator, was happy about the rent amount. Okay, so whatever he was earning from the lawyer, so he was happy that at least that money is going to the good person. Okay, I managed to bargain down to $2 an hour, and then he brought from his house nearby a short large black box on wheels. Okay, so then he managed, bargain means with the discounts off. Okay, so here the writer has asked the discounts of from $2 for an hour. Okay, so he's paying $2. He is paying $2 for an hour. Okay, for an hour he is paying $2 here. So that is the discount, that is called bargain here. Then he brought from his house near the short large black box on wheels. So then he was brought a large black box from sort of, means it's a kind of a large box, kind of a cart he has brought from his home. It's a wheel on it. It's a wheel on that there will be a large black box. He remarked, well, young man, here's a carriage. His wide smile made me into an old friend. So then he remarked, see, this is my carriage. So that one, when the narrator, the writer has saw that this person is ready with his carriage, so he seems like an old friend. He is not a new person for a narrator. Okay, he seems like he looks like his old friend. Okay, then. These villagers are so ready to help a stranger. He had already made it his own task to find Oliver Lutkins for me. Okay, see, here he is appreciating. Narrator is appreciating the people who are living in this village. And the more important thing is about this person, that is the hack driver. Although he is a stranger, but he is ready to work, he is ready to help for him, and he has to work out, he has to work for this lawyer, okay, to find out the Oliver Lutkins. This is also part of work, okay. So he was accepted. Then let's move to the next paragraph. He said, I don't want to interfere, young fellow, but my guess is that you want to collect some money from Lutkins. So then that hack driver is giving a suggestion to the lawyer. So it is not my matter to interfere in your topic, in your case, but you have to take the amount from the Lutkins, okay. You have to collect the money from the Lutkins, okay. So he says, he never pays anybody a cent. A cent means it's an amount, okay. So he is never paying. So he was very sophisticated man. He was not provided money for him, and if he takes money from that, and he was never return it back, okay. So then he has not spending a single amount. You should have to collect money from Lutkins. So that is the suggestion from a hack driver to the lawyer. He still owes me 50 cents on a poker game. I was fool enough to play with him, okay. So here he says owes. Owes means in a debt. Debt means the amount lending. Amount is lending. So, okay, he has to pay. The Lutkins has to pay me 50 cents. 50 cents, that is the amount which has to give it to this hack driver, which he was lost that amount in a poker game, okay. Then he thought that why should he has played with this person, because he was not returning that amount. He was lost it, okay. Then is not really bad, but it's hard to make him part with his money, okay. Actually he is giving the suggestions of Lutkins here, that he is a kind of a person which is not good, but actually again he says that, but he is not a bad person. He is actually good person, but the main thing is the problem is about the money, okay. So who says here, who is explaining the character of Lutkins? That is hack driver, okay. Then if you try to collect from him in those fancy clothes, he will be suspicious and get away from you, okay. Here suspicious means doubtful. So I will if you try to collect, if you go and collect money from him, he will be doubtful on you. So it's better I will go and I will search him, okay. So who says here? Hack driver says to him, if you want, I'll go into Fritz and ask for him, and you can keep out of sight behind me, okay. So then if you are agreeing, I will go and ask to the Fritz shop that he is there or not. Then you just stay behind me and look that he is going away from that place or not, okay. So like that he was advising to the lawyer, okay. Then I loved him for this. By myself I might never have found Lutkins, okay. So because of this helping nature and the work of the lawyer, so what is the intention? He was came to that village, that is New Million. So everything has work has took by that hack driver, okay. So he is doing all part of the work of this lawyer. So because of that that character and the quality what he was shown to the lawyer, so he loved it, okay. He loved those qualities of the hack driver. And then, and by myself, and I might never found Lutkins. So like this kind of a person, and he will find that Lutkins, okay. So with the help of this hack driver. With the hack driver's knowing help, I was sure of getting my man, okay. So with the help of this hack driver, he is sure that, a lawyer is sure that he will get the Lutkins, that is the Lutkins. My man means it's a Lutkins. I took him into my conference and told him that I wanted to serve the summons on Lutkins, that the man had refused to be a witness. So then got a confidence, because that person is helping, that hack driver is helping for lawyer, okay. And now he got a confidence, okay. He got confidence on that hack driver. Now he says that what is the intention? He was came to that village. So what is the purpose? He was came to that village, okay. Then he said here, I came here to give a summon, okay, to hand over summon to him, and it is very important because that person is a witness for a case. So then only that case is going to be solved. So this all the matter he was shared with that hack driver. The lawyer has said to that hack driver here. Okay. When his information would have quickly settled our case. So if that Lutkins, if he come in court before the judge, if he explains what the incident he could saw there, so that will be a good for us. Okay. So the case will be finished as fast as possible. Okay. And that will be the information which is useful for that case. So we are searching, I am searching for him to give the summon as a witness. Okay. Then the driver listened earnestly, sincerely. So he was listened whatever the lawyer has said about the Lutkins and his case and the information whatever he said. So he was sincerely listened it. And at the end he hit me on the shoulder and laughed. Okay. So at the end he was hit on the shoulders of the lawyer and he said, well, give brother Lutkins a little surprise. It's okay, we will give a little surprise to that Lutkins. Okay. So we will also give a surprise to him. So don't worry. So with a very friendly manner he was said to the lawyer. Okay. Then let's start, driver. So then lawyer said, let's start. We will find him. Most folks around here call me Bill or Magnuson. Okay. So here hack driver says here. So everyone will call me Bill or Magnuson. The name of the hack driver is Bill or Magnuson. Okay. So who is the hack driver here? That is Bill, or the name of a hack driver is Bill or Magnuson. Bill or Magnuson. My business is called William Magnuson Fancy Carting and Hacking. So this is the business of the cartman. So the name of the business is William Magnuson Fancy Carting and Hacking. Okay. All right, Bill. Shall we proceed to Fritz? So then they will proceed to their work. Okay. So now the lawyer said here, it's all right. We will go and look into the Fritz shop. Okay. Then. Yes, Lutkins is just like to be there as anywhere. Okay. So then the hack driver, that is Bill. Now I am calling the name that is not a hack driver. I will use the name here Bill. Okay. Bill or Magnuson. So now Bill says here that yes, of course we will find out Lutkins wherever he was. We will find him. Then plays a lot to a poker. So he was in a Fritz shop maybe. So lot of time he just playing the cards. Then he is good at deceiving people. Bill seemed to admire Lutkins' talent for dishonesty. He is good at good at in the character, the quality, deceiving people. Deceiving people, he just giving a problem to the public. So this is the quality of the Lutkins. Then Bill seemed to admire Lutkins. Admire means Bill was appreciating the Lutkins' qualities. Okay. So here a lawyer is giving what called appreciation character here, appreciation character of the Lutkins, which is produced by the Bill. Okay. Then talent for dishonesty. So that person has a talent which he was not a honest man. Okay. So that qualities were appreciated by the Bill. Then I felt that if he had been a policeman. So here in this line there is a humorous sentence here. Okay. So here the writer used to say here that if the Bill will be the policeman, so he would have caught the Lutkins respectfully. Okay, because he is showing lot of respect to the Lutkins. That Bill means a hack driver, showing lot of respect to the Lutkins, and he was inspiring the talent of dishonesty of that Lutkins. If he would be a policeman, if he caught Lutkins because of his, if he was done a crime or something, so he will arrest him with respectfully. That Bill, that hack driver, is arresting him with respectfully. Okay. So here is the humorous sentences. Okay. So it's kind of a funny one. And jailed him with the regret. Jailed him means he was sent into the prison. He was sent this Oliver Lutkins. Who is sending? Bill. If would be the police. If Bill would be the policeman, so if he will arrest him, he will respectfully Bill was arresting this Oliver Lutkins with respectfully and sent him to the prison with regret. Okay, with the regret manner, he sent him to the police station. That is the imprisoned him. Then jailed. Then Bill led me into Fritz. So then they were visited to the Fritz shop. Have you seen Oliver Lutkins around today? So there he went to the Fritz and he was asking, have you seen the Oliver Fritz today? Then a friend of his looking for him, said Bill cheerily. So friend of his looking for him. So then when he was visited to the Fritz shop, and then he said, some of the friend he was looking for Oliver Lutkins. So if you have seen him, you can tell me, said Bill cheerfully. Happily he was said like that. Fritz looked at me, hiding behind Bill. Okay, so Fritz was looking at lawyer. He was hiding behind the Bill. He hesitated and then admitted. So firstly he was hesitated to tell that where is Lutkins, and then later he was admitted. Admitted means here confessed. He was confessed that yes, he was in here little while ago. Yes, he's gone over to Gustav's to get a shave. Yes, the Fritz who are in the Fritz shop, okay, the name of the owner of the shop, he says to the Bill that yes, he was there for a while ago, and after that he went to a Gustav to get a shave. Gustav means is the person name, and he went there to shave, okay, to get a shave there. Well, if he comes in, tell him I am looking for him. Okay, it's okay. If you come here, you can tell him that I am looking for him. Then we drove to Gustav's barber shop. Okay, drove means drive. Drive is the present tense form and drove is the past tense of drive. Okay, then we drove to the Gustav's barber shop. Again, Bill went in first and I lingered at door. Gustav, now they are in the Gustav's barber shop. So again, Bill went, not the lawyer. Okay, lawyer was sitting in a carriage. So then he was looking. Lingered means waited around. He was waited around out of the shop. Then he asked not only the Swede but two customers if they had seen Lutkins. Swede means a person who belongs to Sweden. Okay, so the owner of the barber shop, that is Gustav, he belongs to a Sweden. So not only Sweden, but not only that Sweden person, but also another two customers, they have seen the Lutkins. And now whatever the answers they are saying here, the Swede had not. He said angrily, I haven't seen him, I don't care to, but if you find him, you can just collect that $35 he owes me. Okay, so that Gustav, that what the person which belongs to Sweden, he said that I don't know where is he, but if you're looking for him, if you meet him, just tell him, you just tell him and collected amount of $35 which he was owes. Owes means he was took from him for as a lender. Okay, he was lended that money to the Lutkins. Okay, so just say him, and if you got him and you collect that $35 from him. Okay, so even I am also searching for him, he said in angrily. So that person was said in angrily. Then one of the customers thought he had seen Lutkins walking down Main Street, this side of the hotel. So one of the customer in that barber shop, so he is saying here, yes, he could have seen him. So long straight to this long straight in this lane, so you can get him, Main Street, walking down there. Okay, so you just go and you can search there. So that customer has said like that. As we climbed back into the hack, Bill concluded that since Lutkins had exhausted his credit at Gustav's, he had probably gone to Gray's for a shave. Okay, so now he came back to the hack. Bill came back to the hack when he was concluding. Concluding means he was giving a judgment that Oliver was finished his credit because he was angry. Means that person. Gustav was angry at him. He already took amount from him. So he was not giving a treat, that is shave. He was not going to shave his beard, and then he went probably to Gray's Graze for a shave. Graze means it's another shop. So he probably he was visited there for a shave. At Grace barber shop, we missed Lutkins by only 5 minutes. So when they were arrived to the Grace barber shop, so they have tell that only 5 minutes before he was left the shop. That he had just left probably for the pool room. Pool room, it is also the game, the kind of a game to play the pool. Okay, so he was left to the pool room. Then at the pool room, it appeared that he had just bought a pack of cigarettes and gone out. So when they were visited to the pool room, so there the people, when they were inquired to the people, and there they said that yes, they have bought with the pack of cigarettes, and again he was gone out. So we pursued him. Pursued him means chase him, because so just for 5 minutes, for 10 minutes, so he was just can't find it. The people, they are not couldn't find that Oliver Lutkins. Okay, they are missing that to catch him. So it's about only a few minutes. It's about only the few minutes and with a little distance. Okay, so the behind him they were ready to catch like a policers. Okay. Then they are chasing him just behind him but never catching him. Yes, they are very near to him, but they were not catching him. Okay. Then for an hour till it was past 1 o'clock. So they were continuously searching this man for an hour. Okay, it's about 1 hour. So now they have exhausted. Then, but I had so enjoyed Bill's rough country opinions about his neighbors that I scarcely cared whether I found Lutkins or not. Okay, probably what happened here, writer is enjoying the company of this Bill. Okay, that hard talking and the way of talking, he loves it. Okay, he loves it because he belongs to a village, and this person, writer, is also belongs to a village, and after so many days he has met a person like this. Okay, so there he was enjoying the company of this Bill, and he was not care about he could find the Lutkins or not. Okay, so this is the lines. This is the lines about this. Now let's move to the next. Did they find him or not? How about something to eat? I suggested. So now a lawyer has suggested to Bill that can we eat now? Then let's go to a restaurant. I will pay you lunch. Okay. So he was enjoying the company of Bill. So that's why he is calling to go for have a lunch. Okay. To go for a restaurant and have a lunch, and he will pay for him. Well, I ought to go home to the wife. Ought to means he must have to go to the wife because he should have to prepare for a lunch for him. I don't care much for these restaurants, only 4 of them, and they all are about. So here only the 4 restaurants are there, but the taste of the food are bad. The foods are bad. Okay. Then tell you what will do. Tell you what you will do. We will get the wife to pack up a lunch for us. Now, lawyer said that tell then what we do now. So then he given a suggestion that I will tell to my wife to pack our lunch, and she won't charge you more than $50. So now again he is charging a price. Okay, $50 for a lunch. So again he is looking for his business. Okay, so he was not accepted the words he said that to go for a restaurant. So instead of going for a restaurant, his wife can pack the lunch for both of them, and he could only charge $50 for the lunch. Okay, now he could save his amount. It would cost you more for a greasy meal in a restaurant. Greasy meals means oily. So there they are, you have to pay a more price. But here she is preparing a good meal, and you will pay only $50. Okay, you won't not pay the food which is you are eating in a restaurant, which is very greasy one, which is very oily one. Okay, and we will go up to Wets Hill and enjoy the view while we eat. So they were packed their lunch from a Bill's house, and then they went to the hilltop. Okay, hilltop, that is a woods hill, and there they were enjoying the view, and they were have a fun together, and they were eating, they are having their lunch there. Okay, so this is about today's class. I hope that you all are love this character of Bill and Oliver Lutkins. Who is this Oliver Lutkins? Let's see in the next class. Okay, is they easily they can find him or not? Okay, so let's see. It is one of the it's a kind of a secret, and it's kind of a suspense sort of story. Let's see in the next class. Till then, all of you stay at home, keep learning. Thank you. We will meet you in the next class.